Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at a general purpose shoe by Nike in collaboration with American contemporary artist Tom Sachs. It comes in an orange box with Tom Sachs NikeCraft general purpose shoe plastered all over the box in a glossy sketch theme. Open up the box. On its lid is printed a description of NikeCraft's program focusing on performance and durability. Inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in white paper with no accessories. Although I love the box design, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. The general purpose shoe really lives up to its name with a simple mesh and suede upper design that resembles the Nike Kill Shot. All that sits on a robust outdoor inspired NikeCraft cream and black sole. It's like a tennis meets hiking all-purpose, no-nonsense vibe. Some Tom Sachs touches take a nod to previous projects, which can be seen on the orange tongue and heel pull tabs, plus the black Nike debossed handwritten heel print. It feels breathable, well cushioned with lots of traction on that jagged outsole. I recommend staying true to your men's US size on these. Overall, I prefer a more premium minimal sneaker, and as usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. Thanks for watching. Use my discount code 2pairs15 for 15% off at Liquid Proof for all your footwear and aftercare needs. Apart from that, have a good day.